I don't know, do I need to say ta-da? But yes, the new tires are here. So we go with the Michelin tires and we go with 1 centimeter wider tire for the rear end because 110 is quite, unstandard dimension and hard to get. So now, as you can see here, the bike is quite stripped off, and in all the videos we go through the different things, but we kind of left to do on every video something. So we left here with forks, so we put the oil now in the forks, but we need to tighten them, torque them, put the front wheel on, rear end, put the speedometer, calipers, torque them, drain the back brake. So for rear caliper we need to push the air from the system. From front caliper we need to repair that master cylinder that we're waiting for parts almost 2 weeks. But yeah, let's make one video where we'll sort out different things. One of those things is also the muffler. So now you can see, I think it's look way better than before. So yeah, little things like that, I brush with WD-40, with WD-40 and little steel wool. I brush the shock, I will brush the other one, so then don't have rust spots, clean everything, yeah. We need to have this video to put something back on bike, because my garage, I will not show you the body parts, but my garage is full, okay, so I need to put back on something. But now with the tires, I think we have a lot of things to do. Okay, let's start with the back part. Let's put the new tire on and everything else. Let's go.
Šljakere što loću po pesi, studenti bez diplome, žene bez ljepote, neželje bez stana, putnici bez para, jeftina bluza, teška cuga, užas je naša fuga.
Okay, so you always need to have a piece of wood.
Teško vrijeme za mater, prijatelji moji. Na zidovima naše traga mi kružimo kao psi, a djevojke se nam baziru za nama, njihove kose bude svjetlo. Dug je put do vječnosti i mi ga prelazimo šutkaju u miru. Teško vrijeme za mater, prijatelji moji. Uloge su davno podijeljene i svaki ide svojim putem. Tata kipiju i saplići dok pjeva, žena ih zaobilaze na dan. Klinci ih rastura i zbijeni u gomu, oni pljuju glasno, jurlaju kroz zvijeri. Ej stari, sjeti se i reci mi nešto o njoj. Ej stari, plati ga, prijatelj si moj. Teško vrijeme za mater, prijatelji moji. Ljudi postaju nalik na kokoš, slabo vide i rano vježe, a jutrom žure na kopnu, zbijene gomile duvana, džepova usukanih od zna dlana, zalaze svuda i u sve guraju nos. Ej stari, sjeti se i reci mi nešto o njoj. Ej stari, plati ga, prijatelj si moj.
Yeah, I don't know about you, but this torquing process is always nerve-wracking for me. I don't have some expensive torque wrenches, and you know, too many times I heard that snap. Let's now torque the forks.
Ruža i djeličnog sna marširalo je sinoć bez prestanka. Dao sam svoj najbolji graj, padali su od sporu, oznojen šampion, ugašani pogled. Dolazim ti kao fantom slobode i zato pokaži šta znaš. Dolazim ti kao fantom slobode da te vodim, ravno da da.
Yeah, I come back to garage to just record this because in my last record there was too much so I couldn't edit that. Let me try without, you know, more fluently to explain what I done on the bike. We put the front and the back end, everything is torque and settled. Some things we did off the camera. So on the front end, as I said, We put 100 milliliters in each fork. We torque everything. We find a problem on this left fork, as I think they mess up with that fork screw up there. So we had problem to remove it, because they need to use more torque than 50 Newton meters, as it will not settle down on the fork if you use just 50 Newton meters. I used also bigger force, as that thread is fucked up, and they just do it in the factory, because I think nobody messed with this, and I certainly didn't mess with those threads. So we finished the forks. I put the front caliper back on. I remove the transmission belt once more, just to check service limit. So you measure how wide is it. So we are at some 22 millimeters, and we have a lot of that belt to go, so he is new, but I want to check that. Torque everything on the back caliper that you cannot see now. Put the bike to work a little, so it burn out this new paint for Muffler. I think it went beautifully, and Muffler looks really nice now. I checked the level of the bike, so, and put it horizontally, perfectly horizontally, and then recheck the oil. Add a little bit of oil on it, because you don't measure it by screwing this cap, but just putting the cap in the hole and then check the oil. I just want to check it. If we have enough oil, I add a little bit. So we put a lot of that on the bike. We still got the front master cylinder to sort it out. We'll sort it out in some other video. And what I find as a problem on the bike is this start switch. This switch doesn't function as it should. So I find on eBay all set of these for 5-6 euros with shipping from China. So I ordered that, and we will change probably all switches on the bike, just to be on the safe side there. And that's it. Mechanically speaking, I think we are ready to go. So now we need to wait to body parts, plastics to be finished, and I think we are done. Definitely it will be some more details to fix, to adjust and stuff like that, but yeah, all in all, we are in a really good place with this project. More thing, my friend that I bought this scooter from was kind enough to give me this case for the scooter with the key and everything. So we have, with the plate for mounting. So we have that also to put on. So yeah, thank you, Andre. Very nice of you. We now have another box on the scooter. It will be very useful. Thank you, Andre. Okay, see you guys.